Today's lesson is the decision-making model. We did the frame, we've done character, and the decision-making model will be the last one before we have our quiz tomorrow. So why do we have a decision-making model, and why do my choices matter? All right, well, there's two kinds of choices. The first one we're going to talk about is simple choices. So these simple choices do not affect your best interest, your community and environment, your safety or the safety of others, or your health or health of others. So as you can kind of see here, there's a little kid picking out his ice cream. All right, this is a simple choice. It's not going to affect your community. It's not going to affect your safety. All right, it's just a choice. So like tying your shoes, you're going to tie your left one or your right one first. You're going to put 2 straps on your backpack or 1. Okay, so it's fine. Whatever you want to do is a simple choice. So the opposite of that is going to be a serious choice. So this will affect your best interests, your community, your safety, your health, your reputation. All right, so vaping, bullying, fighting, volunteering, taking a harder class, thinking before you act. Okay, these are all serious choices. So if you choose to bully somebody, okay, it's going to affect the safety of others. If you choose to volunteer, it's probably going to help your reputation. It's going to help your community. Okay, so it's kind of like a cause and effect type thing. So your serious choice will affect somebody, whether it's yourself or something else. So we all like to make our own choices, right? Especially as you guys as high schoolers, you want to get some independence. So when you consistently make smart decisions about your serious choices, so these choices right here, when you're consistently smart about them, 4 positive things happen. Okay, the first one is you earn people's trust. If they see that you can make this smart choice, they're going to trust you. You get to make your own choices more often, which is what we all want. We all want independence. You're given more responsibilities, and you feel good about yourself. Okay, these 4 things will happen if you're smart about these serious choices. That brings us into our decision-making model. So there's 6 steps we want you to use when you make a decision for a serious choice. Quick reminder, a serious choice is where it will affect you or those around you. And the 6 pillars of character are what you should follow when you're making a decision. So the 6 steps are listed here. First one is identify the problem. So what's the serious choice you have to make? Step 2, list your possible choices. So you have your problem, so what can you do? Step 3, list the positive and negative consequences and how it would affect you and others. Step 4, consider your values and character. Step 5, make a decision and take action. And step 6, you're going to evaluate the effectiveness of your decision. Okay, so we're going to go into that a little bit with this situation here. Okay, so I found out this week that my friends are sick of me. One of my friends told me that the people in our circle don't really like me anymore because of how I treat them. I'm super sarcastic with them. I ignore them when I know they're talking to me. I laugh or make fun of them when they make mistakes. I tell them I'm not to talk to me when I'm in a bad mood. They should know that I'm joking most of the time and that they need to suck it up, but my feelings are a bit hurt. So what's the problem here? Well, the problem is that my friends are sick of me. All right, I just found out that one of my friends doesn't like me for all these reasons below. So my choices. I can either keep doing what I'm doing and my friends are still not going to like me. I can try and ask them how I can change. I could find a new group of friends. I could tell them that they need to accept me for being sarcastic. Whatever it is, those are my choices. Okay, some are better than others. So the positive and negative consequences. Well, if I keep doing what I'm doing or tell them to suck it up, it's not going to get better. But if I have a conversation with them, if we try to work through it, okay, there might be more positives that come out of that. Although it might be hard for me, it might be negative for me to have to open up and go talk to them about that. Then I'm going to consider my values and my character. Okay, so those 6 character pillars, what traits do I have? And how is that going to affect what I decide to do here? And then I'm going to make a decision. After I make that decision, we all know step 6 is evaluate it. So we're going to play this little video here. This is about a kid battling a serious choice. Does he eat the marshmallow right away, or does he wait and then get 2 marshmallows when the person comes back? All right, so the consequences here are, do they eat it now, or do they wait 10 minutes? Their values. I want people to know that I can wait and I don't need the marshmallow right now. Make a decision. I'm going to try my hardest to wait, but I do love marshmallows. And then evaluate your choice. Well, I was happy I waited because I got a second marshmallow. So this is a great video demonstrating temptation and being rewarded for a smart choice on a serious decision.
Okay, sit in that chair. All right, here's the deal. Marshmallow for you. You can either wait, and I'll give you another one if you wait, or you can eat it now. When I come back, I'll give you another one, so then you'll have two. But stay in here and stay in the chair till I come back, okay? All right. I'm gonna go do something and then I'll come back.
It smells yummy. It smells really good.
All right, so it's up to you. You can have it now or you can wait. Okay? I'll be back. Stay in the chair, okay? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna leave and then I'll come back, okay? So you can either eat it right now or you can wait. Either way, okay? Okay. How'd you do? Did you do good? You did?
Yeah.
You wanted to eat it, didn't you? Yeah. So did I tell you to give you another one? Okay, now you can have both. You need them.